Hello, my dear students. Good morning. Welcome to today's class. And today, I told you in the previous video too, that we are going to discuss the question answers of the chapter Enemy. So this was a long chapter, of course, and you are going to have definitely a long question from it. So let's discuss the questions. First question is, how did Hannah come into the life of Sadao? Answer is, Sadao had met Hannah at his professor's house in America. She had also gone there to study. He had liked her, but they had both fallen in love with each other after making sure that they belonged to the same background and that they were pure Japanese. Sadao married her with the approval of his father. It was very much required for Sadao to be sure that the girl was pure Japanese, because he was an obedient child and his father was a pure Japanese by his heart. He would never have accepted Hana if she were not a pure Japanese. That is why they both waited to fall in love. Number 2, what was the dilemma for them? Dilemma where you are stuck in two options. The dilemma they faced was that they refers to Sadao and Hana. The dilemma they faced was that if they sheltered the white man, they would be arrested. And if they turned him over as a prisoner, he would certainly die. He had lost a lot of blood due to a bullet injury. He required immediate surgery. The man belonged to the enemy's army and they were contemplating. Contemplation means to think deeply, whether to save him or not. So they were in dilemma whether to save him or not. Number 3, why was Dr. Sadao not sent abroad with the troops? This is very important. He was not sent abroad for two reasons. First, he had been perfecting a discovery which would render wounds entirely clean. Moreover, the general was in some sort of danger and might have needed an operation, and Dr. Sadao was the most skilled doctor available. So for general's sake, first reason, he was not sent with troops. Second, he was working on perfecting a discovery which would render wounds entirely clean and which can be a great discovery for the nation. So those were two reasons for which Sadao was not sent to abroad. Next is, why did they not put him back into the sea? They, Sadao and Hana, him, enemy. So they were not able to shelter him because they thought that they would be arrested. And second, they were not able to hand him over as a prisoner of war because he was in a dying state, and handing him over to police was like a sure death for him. So that was the reason they were not able to put him back into the sea. Why was it? They were not able to bring themselves to drop him back into the sea because of their compassionate and humane nature. That was because of these two feelings in them that they were not able to drop this half dead man into the sea again. Moreover, Sadao, being a doctor himself, knew how to save lives and thought it unethical to let the soldier die if he could prevent it. He was a doctor who has taken this oath at the time when he was joining his duty that he would not let anyone die if he could help that person, and now there was a half dead person in front of him, so how could he let him die? That was the reason they were not able to put the enemy back into the sea. Question number 5, what happened on the 7th day after Dr. Sadao had typed the letter? If you remember, on the 7th day after that, two things happened, and I told you this is a very important part. So let's see what happened on the 7th day. Two things happened on the day the letter was typed. The cook, the gardener, and Yumi had packed up their belongings and left together. This was the one thing. Though the servants cried, Hana put up a brave front. And the second thing that happened was the arrival of a messenger to tell Sadao that he had been called to the palace as the general was in pain again. That was the reason. If you remember, the messenger came and Hana was so terrified, and she thought that this messenger had come to arrest Sadao because She doubts that servants had told everything to police, but it was not so. So one very important thing happened. The servants left, and second, the general was in pain, and now Sadao was going to see the general. Number 6 is, why was the general not in favor of Sadao's arrest? Interesting. Sadao's skill at operating on the prisoner with success made the general believe only more strongly, that he was indispensable to him. Indispensable, as I told you in the text too, which cannot be separated. So he was so skilled that Sadao saved a person who was in at such a critical state. And now general was so influenced and impressed with the skill of Dr. Sadao that he thought, no, I can't let anything happen to this man, because this man only can save my life. There is a reason. He did not want to have him arrested, because Sadao was the only person who could save him if he had another of his attacks and required an operation. So that was the reason. Only to save his own life, he put the entire nation at danger. Number 7. How did Hannah react when she saw a messenger at the door in official uniform? So obviously she was terrified. Hannah got nervous and scared when she saw a messenger at the door in official uniform. Her hands went weak and she could not draw her breath. She was not able to breathe. She thought that the servants must have told about the American man, and the messenger, had come to arrest Dr. Sadao. So this was Hannah's state of mind when she saw the messenger. Next, last short question is, what did Sadao do to get rid of the American soldier? He relied upon general's advice that assassins would come and kill the enemy, and the assassins would also take the body away from there. But it did not happen. And Sadao could not hand him over to police too. So what did he do? What was his final solution to get rid of that American soldier? Sadao decided to help the American soldier to escape to safety. He told him to go to an island nearby and wait for a Korean fishing boat to pass by. He even gave him a boat, some food and bottled water. He kept 2 quails for him and gave him clear instructions so that this plan would not fail. So with all the required essentials and with all the clear instructions, Sadao sent this enemy, to an island which was nearby, and from that island he could go on some Korean fishing boat, and from there he could go to America. So he gave very clear instructions about giving flashlight signals, 2 signals if the food was finished, 1 signal if he was there but he was all right. And one day Sadao did not get any signal. That meant that he had safely gone to his country. Okay, and now the new word for you is VACILLATE, that is vacillate. It's not vacillate, it's vacillate.
Vacillate. Vacillate. Vacillate.
Okay, it's vacillate. It's verb used without object, like to waver in mind or opinion, or be indecisive or irresolute. Example is, his tendency to vacillate makes him a poor leader. Means he cannot decide. He's not good at decision. He's indecisive. That is the reason he's a poor leader. Write down this word in dictionary and have a good day. And very soon you'll be tested for this chapter. So start preparing for it. Have a good day.